my friends, and Happy New Year. I'm back after about a 2-month absence, and I'm excited to give pouring a go again. It's been a while. I'm going to be doing a swipe today. This is a 18 by 24 inch canvas. My colors are Modern Masters in Venetian blue. Oh, this is such a beautiful color. I absolutely love this color. Hope you can see how pretty that is. Pharaoh's Gold. It's a lovely rich gold. And then I mixed a color with burnt orange and brass, because neither color on their own were what I was going for, but when I combined them I was pretty pleased with the color. And then I've got Artist Loft Aqua Green. This is a funny little color. Art Minds. I got this on clearance years ago, but it's a nice opaque color called Tahiti Blue. And then my swipe color is Artist Loft Black. I have added 2 drops of silicone to the black only. And then my base color is Artist Loft White. However, I'm not going to put white all over the canvas. I'm going to first lay out my colors right about here, and then I'll add the white and just smooth it out with the big spatula on either side of my colors. So, and let's do it. Let's see. Here we go. I'm going to have it a little off center. I'll put the recipe down below, but it's basically just paint and Floetrol. So as I said, silicone is only in this black. This is about 2 ounces. I put 2 drops of silicone in there. I'm going to run a nice, good size strip of it right down the center of all the colors. And swipe. I've got this couple sheets of plastic. Put that out of the way. I already like the way that looks. Okay, here we go. Contact all the way across and slowly bring it down. Oops, 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 something's in the way. I didn't plan very well here. Ooh, wee, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. I like it. All right. And once again, Shame about that stripe there, but I can live with that. All right. Now, there's more white over here. It'll be interesting to see how it looks at about this stage, if the cells will get bigger and bigger. I kind of think they will. Clean my plastic off a little better than I did for that second swipe. All right. Now, I'm going to move this thing this way because I'm going to run out of room over there. So I'd prefer to be pulling towards me, but for you to see the whole thing, it's just better in the horizontal orientation. I think you can still see the whole thing. That gives me plenty of landing room there. Okay, here we go. I'll go over here this time. So if I have to be stuck with a line, it'll be there and there, not opposite one another. And here we go. I just let the weight of the plastic do its thing. I'm not pressing in any way. I'm just slowly moving down here. Kind of hold my breath as always. Woo! I like that. Clean off this plastic. Sorry, folks. I'm trying to find a place where I can do this. Here. I don't know how I did. Oh my gosh, I love it right now. Oh, is it going to change drastically though? We shall see. I think I want to overlap a little bit. I think I overlapped there. And here we go. Okay. Well, look how quickly this is changing. This should look just like that in a bit, and it'll be, I'm interested to see if it grows huge. The last one I did, I'm not kidding, the lacing had areas that were this big. They were gigantic. I prefer this, but I didn't hate that either. So I wish I had a piece that was wide enough that I could have come all the way down to one swipe all the way across. But This is kind of disguising itself, so I imagine that will as well. And I can live with it. Okay, I'm going to bring you in for a closer look now, and then I'll wait an hour or so and bring it back and see if it's changed much. But look at all those luscious cells and lacing from 2 drops of silicone. That's so little silicone, it's going to be really easy to clean up. It's not a big deal. I'm not into resin though. That might be an issue, but can easily clean that off and put a shiny varnish on it. If I want shiny, I don't know that I do. Anyway, you can see that the sides are matching up now. And there we have it. Okay. I'll pause and I'll come back in an hour and show you what it looks like. See you in a bit. Okay, it's been about an hour and it has changed a little, but not a whole lot in these areas. So I'm very happy with it. And I think I might, even when it's dry, play up these areas here. I might paint it black so it looks intentional. And I don't know. We'll see. I will show you in a future video if I decide to go that route. But in the meantime, I think I'm calling this one done. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to painting with you again next time.